Hello, today we are going to learn how to locate the two focal points of an ellipse given its two axes. We remind you that an ellipse is a curve in a plane surrounding two focal points, such that the sum of the distances to the two focal points is constant for every point on the curve. This constant is also equal to the length of the longest axis of our ellipse. In the case today is AB, as can be seen on the screen, and we commonly call this length 2A. If 2A is equal to the longest axis AB, so that A is going to be half of this axis and can be seen here highlighted in red in the video. This is going to be the distance from the focal points C and D. So setting our compass to the radius this distance, we are going to set it on the point C of the vertical axis, and we are going to scribe an arc which cuts the horizontal axis at 2 points, which will be our two focal points, and we will call them focal point F and focal point F prime, as can be seen here. As you can see here highlighted in red, the point C is on the ellipse because it satisfies the definition of an ellipse, which states that A plus A is equal to 2A. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to, you can always support us by pressing the super thanks button. Until the next video, thank you very much.